What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Got something from White Mountain Knives to check out, coming from Miguron. Pretty excited. I like Miguron. I've gotten some good stuff from them lately to check out. So right now it says we have a little card: professional, reasonable, and satisfactory. This is their Instagram account, stuff like that, email, yada yada yada, website. Product precautions: never attempt to cut metal. Yep, stuff like that. Cleaning and material, cleaning and maintenance. Thanks for purchasing. Yep, kind of makes sense. Nice little cleaning cloth right there. Oh, and shoot, what is this? Man, I don't even remember what the heck this thing's called. Oh, Pagos, the Pagos 2 titanium. Yeah, Pagos. I already got one Pagos, the original one, and I saw Ray from Everyday City Carry checking this thing out, and I was like, you know what, I've got to check one out too. And woo! And I see why, because he was really talking a lot about it, saying how great it was. Pick you up one. I like this. Bigger than I thought too. Definitely not a bad sized knife overall. Feels pretty good in hand. I like the way it looks. Got that nice milled titanium, beautifully done. Anodized thumb studs, bluish, a little bit of green. I don't know if you got, yeah, you can kind of see it on camera. Kind of bluish green. I thought it looked more blue in the pictures, but dang, that's kind of cool. That's dope. I don't know what that was. A little something on the blade, but that's all right. But yeah, that's kind of cool. Kind of oiled up. Let's kind of clean it a little bit. And it says M390. Got some M390. This thing is very affordable too. It really is. I think it was like $200 on White Mountain Knives. Using the code KnifeLifeEDC. Yeah, it's KnifeLifeEDC. Get 10% off if they have it in stock still. I don't know. This one will be going back eventually, so it'll eventually be back in stock if it's not at the moment. But this thing, it looks so freaking cool in the pictures. I had to test it out. Nice pocket clip, titanium. Not quite deep carry, but close enough. And not reversible, obviously. It's really inset in there too. I like that. It's really inset into the scale. That's a nice touch. I like that. That's quality right there, I feel like. Nice titanium backspacer. I do see something on the inside. Some kind of white, almost like glue. Right there. I don't know what that is. Let me see if I got a Q-tip or something close by. Probably don't. I just don't know what that is. It looks goofy though. I don't. Let me see something real quick. Let me see something. Take it off screen real quick. See if it's. I don't know what that is. But it's still there. Kind of cleaned up a little bit, I think. I think it's just oil or something like that of some sort. I don't know what that is. It's a little wonky, but we'll get over that. We'll check it out here in a few. It is skeletonized on the inside. Definitely help with that weight reduction. This is a very nice. It's not like it's a long knife, but it's not chunky at all. It feels great in hand. I don't know how long that is, but it's a good size little blade though on it. Nice. Oh, no jimping though. I guess if you want to qualify that as jimping, that's more for the front flipper. Let's see if we can do this. Oh, baby. Okay. Whenever I can do that, I like it. I like when I can just front flip like this. I have short fingers, small fingers. I don't know what you want to call it. But some knives I just can't do that on. So when I can get a good knife and it happens, it feels great. That's nice. Got a nice little pivot collar right there. A little bit of blue right there. So I really like the colors they did. Like I love the gray titanium. Love the the blade. Look at it's different. It's ground different ways. That's cool. Or different directions instead of just up and down. I like that. Dude, that's nice. Nice. Got a nice little, not like a fuller tab, like a nail flick kind of, but more like design purpose wise, because obviously can't really, I guess you can. You can use it as a nail flick. So it's not bad. So I can do the thumb flick pretty well too. So every way you want to open this thing, it works very well. Front flipper works perfect. Don't you hate when you freaking say something and then it just does something stupid like that? Okay, so maybe not perfect, 99.9% it works every time. Like, that, what's that dude's name from Anchorman? Like 60% of the time it works every time. Not Brick. He's Steve Carell. I can't remember. But it's the guy with the clone. I love that movie. It's been a long time since I've seen it. Cracks me up. Just Paul Rudd, I know that. He's the actual person. I don't know what the character was. Okay, back to the knife though, but a very solid knife though. I'm very impressed with this. Not a lot of screws on it, which is kind of nice, kind of hidden a little bit. Not very lightweight. No, it doesn't feel heavy at all. I think that's why it was skeletonized, or on the inside it really kind of helped it. Yeah, like I said, great pocket clip, not reversible. Ergos are great. I'm telling you, like, I honestly, I didn't really like the Pagos, mine, the budget-friendly version. It didn't work as well as I thought it was going to. But after I saw Everyday City Carry talk about this and raved about it, I was like, I'm going to give it a try. I love titanium. I love the way it looked. I had to check it out, and really, this is levels above the Pagos, the budget version, and it definitely is 10 times nicer than that. Plus, the price is not outrageous either. I want to say really it is only $200, but I'm not for sure. They'll have that information in the final review. But this thing is solid. This thing is built just fantastic. Great for flipping and fidgeting. I really do not want to send this back whenever I have to, because this thing is so freaking nice. The milling, let's check it out close. It's so freaking nice. See, it's so nice. I really love this thing. I've already got smooched. I love the blade. It's just so freaking it's fire looking. I don't have really a lot more to say. I'll get the final review out there for you guys too. Just get all the information out. Nice titanium backspacer too. This thing's fire, guys. I'm telling you. Check it out if you can. If you can't, I'm sorry, it sucks. But if you want a nice titanium front flipper thumb stud knife, like, this is it. Miguron has really kind of done something awesome with this. I really dig this compared to I've handled some of their knives, and the Pagos I was just very kind of disappointed in. Like, it wasn't bad, it just wasn't my favorite. It was more budget friendly, so obviously that's one thing. It's budget friendly, budget materials. But this right here is top notch. M390 titanium. Great knife. Check it out if you can. If you have any questions, comments, just let me know in the comment section. If you like the video, just leave a thumbs up. Thanks, guys.